Fix an encryption credentials expired error for a Mac, iPhone, or iPad. If you are unable to print from your HP printer with a macOS or iOS device due to an encryption credentials expired error, this is because the printer has an expired encryption certificate. You can easily fix this issue by accessing the Printer Embedded Web Server, or EWS for short, and generating a new certificate. To access the EWS, open a web browser and enter the printer IP address in the URL search field. The printer IP address can be found in the Network Settings menu on the printer control panel or by pressing the I button to print an information report. You can also access the EWS through the HP app. If you do not have the HP app, you can get it for free from your App Store or by going to 123.hp.com. From the app home screen, select your printer. Select Printer Settings. Select Advanced Settings. If you encounter a warning message, select the option to continue to the EWS site. Accessing the site will not harm your device. From the EWS home screen, select Network Summary. From the General Network Summary page, scroll down to and select Security, then select Certificates. Select Configure. Select Create a new self-signed certificate, and then select Next to create the new certificate. Select Finish. The printer generates a new certificate that defaults to 10 years from the valid date.